Hi, I'm Michelle Paganini, and this is a Paganoonoo upcycle sewing pattern. It's the Rebecca dress. It's based on a classic shirt dress with sleeves on the bottom. I made an extra tier so it's not above the knee length. Fits nicely at the waist. Looks like a skirt and a top, but it's actually a dress. Again, it's the Rebecca Paganoonoo upcycle sewing instructions design. The Rebecca dress is made from 5 to 7 dress shirts. Our upcycle sewing instructions walk you through each step of deconstruction and reconstruction. It's easy to get a perfect fit. You start with an existing shirt that already fits your bust, shoulders, and arms perfectly. Then nothing is altered above the armhole. There's no collar to sew, no placket to make, no buttonholes, no sleeve to set. The skirt part is built in sections, so it is easily scaled to fit your waist. Upcycle sewing is good for the budget and good for the planet. What do customers say? Amazing! I am not one to follow the instructions or use patterns because it gets so complicated. I decided to try this out after seeing the shirt at a quilt show. It's so easy to follow. I am hooked. Rebecca is my daughter and happens to be my muse for this pattern. Find us at www.paganoonoo.com or our Etsy store.